AMSOIL promotion for commercial accounts. For a limited time, commercial accounts get a free 36-piece roadside kit with an order of $500 or more when they use code FREESAFETY at checkout. The promotion runs November 6 through 26, 2024. Don't have an AMSOIL account? Start today. AMSOIL can help you reduce costs, prevent downtime, and stay on schedule by improving your lubrication program. There is no charge to open an account, plus there is no minimum order required, and free shipping on orders over $400 in US, excluding Alaska and Hawaii, and $450 in Canada. It's good to have an AMSOIL commercial account. Protect your profits, equipment, and reputation by using AMSOIL products in your company's equipment. Maximum equipment performance and life, increased profitability, personalized service, strong corporate support, fast free shipping on orders over $400 in the US and $450 in Canada. Is the AMSOIL commercial program right for your business? If your business has vehicles and equipment that operate in extreme conditions, AMSOIL can help. Examples of businesses we work with include excavators, off-road contractors, trades, construction contractors, lawn and landscape contractors, regional fleets, agriculture. Commercial accounts get the lowest pricing. Commercial accounts buy at wholesale prices and can earn discounts based on annual purchase volumes. This is Tim Velk of Synthetic Oil Zone, your authorized AMSOIL dealer. See links in video description for more info, and visit www.syntheticoil.zone.